Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I did these super cute jumbo boho Cuban twists. This video is sponsored by Eayon hair. They sent me 3 bundles of their bulk human hair. This is the deep wave in the color D2730. Absolutely obsessed with this hair and this color. I'm gonna give you a quick 360 and we're gonna get right into this tutorial, so keep on watching. These twists are absolutely gorgeous. So obsessed. I've had them in for a week now. Just didn't get around to doing my intro and outro, but here we are. Nonetheless, I'm so obsessed. I have not had to refresh the hair at all, but I will be doing another video where I show you how I take care of the twist at night, how I refresh them, and all that good stuff. So make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get into this tutorial. So I started off by pre-sectioning my hair. I have 6 sections, 2 in the back, 3 in the middle, and then 1 at the top. I'm gonna go in and I think I'm gonna do the rubber band method this time. So I'm gonna go through and add my rubber bands, but first I'm gonna show you the hair that I'm gonna be using. So I'm using the Cuban twist hair from Equal. This is the Shake and Go Cuban twist hair, super long for 24-inch. And this is the color 30. Got this from my local beauty supply store. And I'm also using the color 27. So I'm gonna be combining the 2 of these. Let me show you the human hair that I'm going to be using for this video. So I got this package from Eayon hair. They sent me 3 bundles. They also sent this little kit with a comb and edge brush. Super cute, and I love me some pink. So the hair that I got is 18 inches. It is D2730 deep wave, which is why I'm using the 27 and the 30 in the Cuban twist hair. So let me show you what this hair looks like out of the packaging. This color is absolutely beautiful. I am super obsessed with it already. So this is what the hair looks like. These curls are gorgeous. I'll be inserting these into, or feeding these in to the twist that I'm going to be doing. So excited for this color, so stay tuned. Okay, so I have sectioned off my hair. I have 32 sections. I did do the rubber band method, so I'll just be crocheting the Cuban twist hair underneath my hair, twisting it in, and then feeding in the human hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep this human hair. This color is everything. Just going to undo that. And then there's a rubber band there. Just gonna take that off. This bundle is super full. So I'm just gonna split this bundle in half and then just work with 1/2 at a time. So to separate the bundle, start with adding some gel. This is the same gel that I used to section my hair off. So I'm going to use this to add to the ends just to make separating easier. Adding a nice amount just to the ends to help separating it easier. So I think we're going to work in pieces that are about this size. So I'm going to separate. We're going to get right into this video. So when you're feeding in the human hair, you want to make sure that you secure it in place before you pull that human hair out, and you will see why in just a moment. So once you twist it a few times and you make sure the hair is secure, then you can pull that curly piece out. So now I'm going to feed in the last piece at the end, and then I'm going to make sure it's secure, clip the curly piece out of the way, and then I'm going to show you what I do to the ends. So I'm taking the ends and then I'm just wrapping it around itself and creating like a barrel, and then I'm going to secure it in place with a rubber band. Now that my hair is done, I'm going to go in with a bunch of mousse to set the style in place, and that is it. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about these boho twists in the comment section below. Also, I do have some human hair left over, so let me know what style you want to see me do with the rest of the hair next. Thanks so much for watching. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.